Hello friends, I am architect Sonu Rai from Green Landscape and Architectural Design Studio, Glad Studio, and today I am here with another video tutorial in Revit Architecture. And today I am going to discuss about modified tools in Revit Architecture. And modified tools are the tools which are used to modify or make any changes in our wall, floor, ramp, stairs, etc. And these tools are also located in AutoCAD ribbon panel, and their names are almost similar which we use to in Revit also, but their commands are different. So the modified tools are located in our ribbon panel here. Like if I am going to click this modify tab here, and you will see these modified tools. These are known as modified tools, which will start with align and move and offset, and this is copy. This is a mirror peak axis, and next one is mirror draw axis. There are two types of mirroring in Revit architecture. One is peak axis and another is draw axis. Next is our rotate command and trim command, and this is a split element. This is a split with cap. This is known as array, which we use in AutoCAD also. This is for a scale and trim extend, which we'll discuss one by one. This is known as spin, and this is for delete. If you want to work with the modify panel, whatever you are, suppose I'm going to draw here wall, and if I want to go to my modify tools, we can go from here. Or else if you select your wall also, it will come directly here, modify tool. So both ways you can work. So I am going to start with this wall, and I'm going to select this modify tab, and now I am going to modify tools, and I'm going to start with this one align command. So we need to understand what is align here. So I am going to draw another wall here which will be inclined to this wall, and suppose I want to align this one with this wall. So what I will do, I will go to modify, align, and now we'll go come down here, down this one. It will automatically give you a hint about how you are going to proceed. So it is telling, please select line or point reference for alignment. So I am going to select this line as a reference, and next is asking, please select an entity to align entity. So what are the object which are going to align? So I am going to select this as entity, and now you can see it is easily aligned with this wall. So I am going to show you another object also by placing and aligning it. I'm going to use this desk here, and I am going to rotate this desk any angle, and now I am going to modify, align, and again please select line or point reference for alignment. So I'm going to select this one as align point reference, and now please select an entity to align. So I'm going to select this as entity. So you can easily see this is aligned with the table furniture is aligned with this wall. So these are the methods to work with align command. And next is this move command. Move command is found in every softwares like AutoCAD, Photoshop, 3ds Max, and their use is almost similar. So suppose I want to move this, so I'm going to select from right to left, and I am going to select this move command, and now you can see this dash line for. So now we are ready to move this one. So we can move to any specific directions, and you can move here, can move this one, any direction you can move. But if you are going to select this one constant, so you will be not able to move any direction. You will be able to move in only horizontal and vertical directions, not in any angle. So if you are unchecking this, you can move to any direction. So this will be applied to every command like copy, rotate, everything. So now I'm going, if you want to move anything, suppose I'm going to draw a wall here, and I'm going to quickly place a door here, I want to move this tool from here to here. You can also drag this one, or we can use this tool to move. So Revit is very fast than AutoCAD. So I'm going to use this next command, which is offset command. So offset command is offsetting any object or walls like we use in AutoCAD for planning and designing work. So it's almost similar. It is offset OF, and in AutoCAD it is O. So I am going to offset this wall. So I am going to select this offset command, and now it's asking graphical or numerical. So I am going to select this numerical, and I am going to give this distance, whatever distance. I suppose I want to make a room here, so I'm going to give an offset distance of 10 feet, and whatever the room size you can take. And now it is copy command, so it is checked here. So let's understand. I'm going to use this numerical offset 10 feet and a copy command. So I'm going to make a copy of offset you can make, and you can understand the difference. And I'm going to Control Z, and now I am going to uncheck this. Now you can see it will create a copy offset, but it will leave a gap. So there is no another wall here. It will, if you keep offsetting, it will create a offset, but it will leave a gap here. And again, if you are creating copy, it will wall will be existing, and it will be offsetting. So likewise, you have to understand the offset command. And again, if you are going to a graphical, means you have to uh, drag this to any specified distance. Suppose I am dragging this one to 10 feet 6 inches, and clicking this, it will be a graphical method of making offset command. So but we generally use this one, numerical. So I will use numerical only. So next is copy command. So copy command is used to copy any object or furniture or walls, anything which you are using in your design work. So I'm going to use this copy command, and now I'm going to select this whole things to copy, and you will click once. So this dash line represents that the object is ready to copy or move or anything. So I am going to use this constraint. If you use constraint, you can copy in horizontal or vertical direction, not in any direction. So and if you want to make a multiple copy, you have to use this command multiple. You have to check this, and now you can make a multiple copy in horizontal or vertical direction because constraints is selected. And then if you will uncheck these constraints, you can make in any directions copy. So these are the use of copy command. And the next thing is this one, mirror pick axis and mirror draw axis. So we are going to understand this. So suppose I'm going to reduce the numbers. So this is for peak axis, means you have to pick an axis to draw mirror. Suppose I want to draw this mirror of this door. So I am going to draw a wall again here. Suppose I am going to draw a wall here, and I want a mirror of this. So I am going to select this and mirror peak axis. And now I am going to select the center line as a peak axis. So you can see the mirror is created. So and the next one is modify, and next one is draw axis, means you have to draw any axis to make a mirror. So suppose I am selecting these two things. I want a symmetrical mirror on opposite side, so I am going to draw a axis here. Suppose I want to draw a corridor in between, so I am going to, and you can see very quickly you have drawn with the draw axis. And again, if you want to make a symmetrical on opposite direction, I'm going to select all this, and I'm going to draw a axis in between. So you can see likewise you can make a very fast mirror of by using this draw axis, and it will be very useful in planning and designing of housing project, any apartment project. So it is faster than AutoCAD. And the next one is this rotate command. Suppose I'm going to select this rotate command, and I want to rotate this building or any wall if you want to rotate. So I'm going to delete this one. I'm going to select this one, and now I'm going to select this rotate command, and now this is rotation uh, angle. This is for to rotate. If you want to rotate by yourself, you can just select anywhere, click once, and now it can automatically adjust. It is showing the angles 30 degree, 40 degree, 51 degree, 76 degree. So suppose I want to make a 45 degree angle, and also I want a copy of this. So I'm going to use this 45, and I'm going to select this OP. So I'm going to enter, and now you can see this OP is created with this 45 degree. And again, if I'm going to select this one, use rotate command, and now I'm checking this, and now I'm going to make a 45 degree, enter, and now you can see 45 degrees we rotated to 45 degree angle. So likewise you can practice and use this rotate command. And the next is trim command, trim extend to corner. So it is for trimming any walls, joints, and it's almost simple like AutoCAD. Suppose I want this wall is extended beyond this, and this one to extended to this one, I want to trim this. So you will use this trim extend to corner. I'm going to select this wall and this one. So this is trimmed off. Again this one and this one. So this is trimmed off. So likewise you can practice to use this trim extend to corner. And in the next video tutorial, I'm going to discuss the remaining modifying tools here, and which will be very useful for your 2D drafting. So friends, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In the next video tutorial, we'll discuss more. So thanks for watching. Bye.